What's up, coders? Welcome back to the channel, where we break down all things tech. Today, we're diving into one of the biggest coding debates, Java versus C++. Whether you're gearing up for coding interviews, mastering data structures and algorithms, or aiming for competitive programming, you're probably wondering which language is the best for DSA. Java versus C++. Which coding language to learn for data structures and algorithms DSA? In this video, we're going to compare these two powerhouse languages, break down their pros and cons for DSA, and help you decide which one fits your goals. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly which language to choose to boost your coding game. Let's get started. This video has 5 sections we will discuss step by step. Section 1. Introduction to Data Structures and Algorithms DSA. First things first, let's clarify what DSA is all about. Data structures and algorithms, or DSA, are the backbone of computer science. They help you efficiently organize, manage, and process data. From sorting a list to finding the shortest path in a network, DSA helps you solve complex problems faster. And trust me, whether you're preparing for a coding interview or working on real-world software, DSA is key. Section 2. Why Java for Data Structures and Algorithms, or DSA? First up, Java. Java is a high-level, object-oriented language known for its readability and simplicity. Here's why Java is an excellent choice for DSA. Number 1, easy to use. Number 2, large standard library. Number 3, platform independence. Number 4, strong community support. Number 1, easy to use. Java's syntax is straightforward and less prone to errors, which makes it easier for beginners to learn. You don't need to worry much about memory management or low-level details, which can be a big relief when solving DSA problems. Java offers a huge library of pre-built data structures. Whether you need an array list, hash map, or priority key, Java's standard library has you covered, reducing the amount of boilerplate code you write. Write once, run anywhere. Java is platform independent, so your code works seamlessly across different environments, which is great for coding competitions and interviews. With a strong community and a wealth of resources available, from tutorials to documentation, learning DSA in Java becomes much more approachable. Section 3. Why C++ for Data Structures and Algorithms, or DSA? Now, let's shift gears to C++. If you're looking for efficiency, this is the language many competitive programmers swear by. But why? Number 1, speed and performance. Number 2, standard template library. Number 3, flexibility. Number 4, popularity in competitive programming. C++ is fast. Its ability to give you low-level access to memory and system resources means you can write highly optimized algorithms. For time-sensitive problems where every millisecond counts, C++ can be a game-changer. C++ SSTL is a treasure trove for DSA. You get access to pre-built, efficient data structures like vectors, sets, maps, and heaps. The STL makes it easy to implement complex algorithms with minimal effort. C++ gives you control over system-level resources. You can fine-tune your algorithms down to the last byte of memory and CPU cycle, making it perfect for scenarios where resource optimization is critical. Most top competitive programmers use C++. Its combination of performance and the STL's power gives you an edge in coding competitions. Section 4. Head-to-head comparison. Alright, now that we've covered the strengths of each language, let's put them side by side in some key areas for DSA. Number 1. Speed and efficiency. Number 2. Ease of learning. Number 3. Library support. Number 4. Memory management. C++ is hands down the winner in raw performance. Its low-level memory management gives it the edge. Java is no slouch, but its garbage collection can sometimes slow down execution during larger problems. While powerful, C++ requires a deeper understanding of pointers, memory allocation, and system-level details, which can be tough for beginners. Easier to pick up for beginners, thanks to its readability and automatic memory management. STL offers more flexibility and performance-optimized data structures. Strong standard library support for common data structures. Manual memory management, giving more control but also more room for errors like memory leaks. Automatic memory management through garbage collection. Section 5. Which one should you choose? So, which language should you choose for DSA? Here's the bottom line. If you're just getting started with DSA, Java may be the way to go. Its simplicity, vast community, and solid library support make it easier for beginners. If you're aiming for competitive programming or you care deeply about performance, then C++ will serve you well with its speed and powerful STL. Ultimately, both languages are excellent for DSA. Your choice depends on your goals, simplicity and readability, or control and performance. At the end of the day, mastering data structures and algorithms is about problem-solving skills, not just the language. Pick one, practice hard, and build that coding muscle. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Let me know in the comments, which language are you going to pick for your DSA journey, Java or C++? Let's discuss.